Furry, the little penguins that could, written by Ann Yurchek and illustrated by Jody Culp. Chapter 29, First Grade, Here We Come. Over the summer, the new inclusive playground was completed. The little town that would made playing safe and accessible for everyone. Now children in wheelchairs and with differences could play together. Mac and I were ready for first grade, but we were worried. We had done new before, and we could do it again. The teachers of the little school that could took a vote. It was unanimous. Furry could come to first grade with Mac as his emotional support partner. I, Furry, had an official job right on Mac's IEP. I don't know what that is, but it sounds big. Mac smiled from ear to ear. I will be promoted to first grade along with Mac. That is a fine title for a little penguin. Mom stuffed me back into the backpack on the first day of school and said, "Have a good day, boys." And off we went on the bus to the little school that could, in the little town that would, in the state of Wisconsin, in the country of the United States, on the continent of North America, on the planet Earth, in the Milky Way galaxy, which is a part of the whole universe. Woo! It is easier to meep. Mac and I rolled into first grade down the long hallway. There would be a new room, a new teacher, and new friends. Mac seemed nervous. Mac, we will do this together. I am your emotional support partner. Mac, remember? Take a deep breath. I think I can. I think I can, Furry said. I will be with you always. No one will lock me in a locker. I heard Mom say I will stay by your side right on your IEP, whatever that is. We try to listen to Mom. Mac closed his eyes, and thankfully he did not hold his breath. When he opened his eyes, there was Snack. Snack graduated to the first grade owl classroom too. We are a team. The new teacher introduced Furry and Snack to Hootie the owl, the classroom stuffed pet. Snack and I had a new first grade friend. Over the coming days, teacher from the kindergarten checked in to make sure we were all okay. We had a new room with all new friends. Mac and I still ate with our old lunch bunch. We played with our old friends on the playground because all the first graders had recess together. Some children do not have as many friends as Mac and Snack and me. That is sad. The big fourth graders had a grand idea to make a buddy bench at the playground where a child could sit if they had no play buddies. The bench would alert all the other children to reach out to ask the child to play. No one should be alone at recess. We made sure the buddy bench became real. Some children learn only from home. Some students learn at home and school combined, like Mac has to. Some of the children who must stay at home from the school have robots that roll down the hallways and into the classroom. The robot shares videos of what is going on in the school. Robots help children take part and not lose their friends. One day, Mac got a robot. Mac and Snack and I think that is cool beans. Mac's robot scares Mom. She is learning to drive it with the computer keyboard. I am an emotional support partner and I can feel Mom is worried.